Here we are introducing our new product, do it yourself. In order to measure ID, OD, taper, runout, faceout, multiple parameters, it can be configured with any multi-gauging systems. Maximum number of probes can be used is 8. Today we are going to use a OD measuring fixture which is having 2 probes. How to configure the software? See, first you have to enter the admin password and just log in. Here configuration, part family configuration, create new part family. You have to choose the name of the component or name of the component family. Save. OK. Exit. Part number configuration. Here you have to give a particular number for that part. Number of parameter you are going to measure. Here we are measuring only OD, so select 1. So it will automatically select only one station. So click over there, number of parameters once again 1. Now you have to select the number of masters. Let us say 1. Save. OK. Exit. Refresh once. Now it will show the configured part family and part number. Now you have to select and you have to enter the admin password. Now we have to do the parameter configuration. That means tolerance, OD, parameter name OD, and USL value, mean value, LSL value, and master value. This is for graphical X bar R chart. So you need to set the control limits, UCL and LCL. Once you fill all this data, you have to select master setting and measurement master setting. In that one, master level, number of level. If in case you are using single master, you need to select 1. Type of mastering, it is direct. If it is a simple concept OD, it is direct. If you are rotating, run out, face out, like that, you have to select accordingly. If you are using only 2 probes, you have to select 2. If you are some case you are going to measure face out at 4 multiple points, means you have to select 4 probes. For that you need to add. Save. Exit. So parameter configuration is over. Now you have to select measurement. So here you can see 2 options, measurement and mastering. In mastering mode, if multiple stations are there, it will show which station you have to master. So here we have only one station. So we have inserted the master. So now we have to press master. So mastering is done successfully. Value is showing in the green mode. So if I remove the master, it will show in the red mode. Okay. So now we have to select measurement mode, insert the component and start measuring. So we have selected auto save concept. So once you insert the component, the measurement or the readings will be saved. You have to remove the component, then only it will be open for the second component. Like that you have to start measurement. So you can save your cycle time, auto save. So that can be also configured in configuration section like RS-232. Multiple sections are there, so it will be showed further. Thank you.